You know what is this?
What's that?
It's Hot Wheels monster trucks filled go. Okay, let's check it out inside. So many cool things. Like a monster truck, the crane. It looks like a fuel box, right? But not actually. This is just a toy. So I'm gonna teach you one thing that it can make a donut. A monster truck. A monster truck can make donuts. First, put the pedal in the middle and then press the engine hardly and then use your hand to drive this motorcycle. If you are a kind person, please like and subscribe. If you are an alien, no need. If you like my monster truck, please download below.
What?
It's over.
What?
It's over.